Hey guys, good morning to you. You know, Rochelle, this is one of those things where we fear viewers suffer storm fatigue. I know, as a weather staff, we watch this and, we're checking all these boxes and looking at all this stuff, and you hear more and more talk about where it is, what it could do, all this stuff. Over time, viewers go, okay, when's it gonna get here?
Yeah.
It's finally arrived.
Somebody was saying that in our Facebook Daybreakers group, but yeah, like you mentioned, it's here. It's coming. If you're not prepared, you're just not going to be prepared because this thing is barreling down.
And again, we were hearing from down around the Outer Banks and stuff. It's too late to evacuate. They want you to shelter in place. Want to show you over Rochelle's shoulder here. We're looking at the radar, and that just tells half the story because that's based on our Wakefield radar site. So the beam goes out, picks up things on the northern and northwestern half, but it goes through so much intense rainfall, it doesn't pick up what's happening offshore. So let me fill it in with the mosaic radar here where you see other radar sites, and you see there's still a lot of moisture cranking around this thing that will fill in. So we're going to talk about all of that. Let's give you the latest. This is a 6 o'clock update right now on Dorian. Winds still 90 miles per hour, movement still northeast at 14 miles per hour. So this thing is moving along as was forecast, and it's maintaining its strength. Forecast brings it right over Buxton. That eye wall is going to move right over Ocracoke. It is right now as we speak, but it's going to continue moving off to the northeast. So Buxton, Hatteras, Salvo, Waves, these areas really very close to the eye. And in fact, the eye wall will be over some of those locations as we go over the next couple of hours. Winds are going to increase at the coast. We're seeing that uptick right now. This thing will eventually move out. So much better later tonight and tomorrow. It's going to be great, but we got to get through today and that surge flooding that's coming later this afternoon. High tide this afternoon going to be bad. Winds starting to pick up. These are sustained winds. You can see some areas now up to 31 miles per hour in Norfolk, 25 in Virginia Beach, 29 in Hampton, 39 at Duck, and 36 in Elizabeth City. Factor in the gusts and you get some higher gusts. Norfolk with the gust now to 48 miles per hour. So some of these bands really packing a little punch there. 53 mile per hour gust in Duck, 46 in Elizabeth City. Power outages, well, we expect numerous power outages close to the coast, especially down around the Albemarle Sound and the Outer Banks. Scattered power outages potentially this afternoon across Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, southern Suffolk, and areas into North Carolina. More isolated potentially off to the north and west. Still have that tornado watch just for parts of Virginia Beach and Currituck. The rest of the area has been cleared. We will deal with more rain and wind today. And again, I'll focus on those tide levels. Updated information just in my next update. Guys?